Okay, this is the sample problem with growth rate. So now we're looking at growth rate. So we have the formula R, growth rate, is equal to delta N over N1. And we also know that delta N can be written as N2 minus N1. And so the sample question we're doing first is to find the R of the original, of the previous puppies where we had the growth rate. We're looking at how many puppies changed by. So delta N before was given as 99. And we know initially N1, the population had 2 puppies in it. So R in this case is either 49.5 or if it's in percents, we multiply by 100, so 4,950%, which is huge, but at the same time, it is the amount that's, a huge amount for this type of question. So you can have really big percents here. All right, the second sample question is the growth rate for population of field mice. So again, population, we're looking for the growth rate. So that here we have R is delta N over N1. But in this case, because we're given information about births and deaths, we're also going to need delta N is equal to B plus I minus D plus E. So here it says that the growth rate is 500%. So 500% or 5, right? So just convert it from percent back to decimal. And it also says births 342, deaths 43. It says there's no emigration, and we're just looking to see who immigrated or who came in. And it also says the population has 90 field mice, so that's our initial population N1. So now we're looking to solve for this. The first thing we need to solve for, it says calculate to calculate the number, or to find the number of mice that immigrated, we first need to know what delta N is. So we're going to use R, which is 5, and we're going to use N1, which is 90, and that's going to tell us that the change in population is 450. So we've increased the population by 450 mice. We're going to put that over into this calculation, so 450, and then we're going to do bracket 342 plus I minus bracket 42 minus 0. So we're going to solve for that. Again, I switched the side of the equation is I is equal to 450 minus 342 plus 43, or the amount of mice that immigrated to the area is 151.